Assalamu alaikum, and how's it going, Floor Gang? I'm sorry this video is a little late because it took me a lot of time to arrange all the games. Okay, back to the video. Have you ever wondered that when a gamer streams or records a game, it's in crisp quality, and when you record it, the game turns to If yes, then I've got just the product for you. Today we're talking about an unusual looking device. It's Elgato 4k60 Pro Mark.2 PCIe capture card. You can use it to stream or capture games up to 4K at 60 frames per second. You can now take advantage of the 4K cable output from the consoles like PS4 Pro and the Xbox One X, as well as your PC if it's strong enough. If you want to record or stream games on PC, then you'll need two PC setup, one for games and the other one for recording or streaming. On the box you can see it says 4k60 Pro captured 4K HDR flawlessly. Down below it says 4k60 HDR capture, 250Hz pass-through, PCIe low profile and instant game view. It does not say much on the sides of the box except for what's in the box. But on the back it says ultra quality capture immaculate 4K HDR content at 60 FPS. Ultra Tech power your workflow with superior low latency technology. Ultra content easily record and export to your favorite apps. Minimum system requirement for the capture card is Windows 10 64-bit, 6th Gen Intel Core i7 CPU or AMD Ryzen 7 minimum, Nvidia GeForce GTX 10XX or better, and PCIe 4X, 8X or 16X. It's perfect for PS4 Pro, Xbox One X, Twitch and YouTube. Okay, enough mumbling. Time to unbox. There's a box inside a box that contains all the components. When you open the box, first thing you'd notice is the card, mounting bracket and a sticker. Under the card there is a user manual, and by removing the cardboard you can see the HDMI cable is at the bottom of the box. It's pretty easy to install. You just have to locate the PCIe slot on the motherboard and place it in. You don't require extra mounting bracket, just screw in the mounting bracket that is attached with the card. After that, connect the capture card to your console or computer through HDMI cable. To install the software, go to elgato.com/en/gaming/downloads. Link is in the description. Select the model of the card you have on Windows or Mac and click download and run the software. Now let's record some games. I should warn you that I'm not very good at console games, so enjoy watching me as I got destroyed.
It's a lightweight bout between Conor McGregor and Khabib Nurmagomedov. Best of luck to you.
This guy has some of the best throws I have ever seen in all my years of commentating. Strap yourselves in, because it's about to go down.
Used to wrestle bears, thankfully won't have to do that.
A back and forth exchange.
Oh!
Nice punch. He's doing a great job of timing.
Well, he got... Oh!
Left hook hurt him.
Unbelievable.
That's it.
That'll do it! Just the way he drew it up, exactly what he told us during fight week, played out here on fight night. He found a little opening in his opponent's defense and barged right through it to get the big knockout win.
Let's take a look at it one more time. Here's the knockdown. Vicious strike.
We go inside the...
So Canada.
They're holding your uncle inside.
I've come for Lord Shimura. You can't retreat.
We can't keep going.
I have to.
Shout out to Trash Potato Boy for letting me use their clips, and if you enjoy watching simulation races, then do check him out, first link in the description. Okay, if you want the detailed hardware video of 4K60 Pro capture card, then do let me know down in the comments, and as always, a sub will be appreciated.